Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Card to integrate Stripe checkout links step by step clearly. Visit the Card website. Click on the Sign Up button in the top right corner. Fill in your email address and create a password. Confirm your password and click Create Account. Check your email for a confirmation message from Card. Click the confirmation link in the email to verify your account. Log into your Card account using your credentials. Once logged in, click on the New Site button to create a new project. Choose a template that suits your needs or start from a blank slate. Edit your site by adding elements such as text, images, and buttons. To integrate Stripe, click on the Publish button in the top right corner. Select Link as your publishing option. In the publishing settings, scroll down to the Payments section. Choose Stripe as your payment processor. If you don't have a Stripe account, click on the provided link to create one. Follow the prompts to set up your Stripe account. Once set up, return to your Card site. Enter your Stripe API keys in the appropriate fields provided. Back on your Card editor, create a button or a form that will lead to the checkout. Set the action for the button or form to trigger the Stripe checkout. Customize the settings to define the items, prices, and any other relevant checkout details. Preview your site to ensure everything works as expected. Once satisfied, click on the Publish button again. Your site is now live with integrated Stripe checkout links. Share your new Card site with your audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.